So here today, to show off RoomKit Mini to you, is our Oslo team, who actually builds this fantastic technology. And we wanted to let them show you themselves. Hi!
Hi.
Please tell them more about the RoomKit Mini.
Great to see you guys. Hello, everyone. We are joining you guys live from Oslo today, and we're huddled together in a super small meeting room using the brand new RoomKit Mini. So this is the newest member in the RoomKit lineup, and it has had a fantastic introduction into the market. It's actually the fastest ramping collaboration endpoint ever. And it's specifically designed for huddle spaces and rooms for up to 5 people, so you can think of it as a RoomKit, but smaller.
Yeah, and it's a single screen system where people can sit close to the screen. The RoomKit Mini has an extreme wide angle camera. It's 120 degrees field of view, and I'm actually sitting so close that I just reach out and touch it.
And with the extreme camera view, we need to use the powerful RoomKit hardware to straighten out the fisheye effect. This is something our competitors are not capable of, so let's have a look.
So this is actually the raw camera feed, and this is what our competition would use. So you can see here the bent lines and the curved edges on the sides of the image. It might look funny, but it's not that great. So let's just go back to the corrected Cisco view.
Yeah, and like the rest of the portfolio, the camera...
They're clapping!
Thank you. And like the rest of the portfolio, the camera is also automatic, so you don't need to worry about camera control. And as you can see, we turn on best view and get a much better and enhanced experience at the far end.
And like most of you guys have probably noticed, we have our name tags popping up here as well. So throughout the whole room portfolio, we can now support all those great AI features. But I also think that we should do a little stress test on this as well. So I don't usually wear glasses, but if I put on a pair right now, we will see that my name tag will still stay there.
Yeah, right. That's not really a stress test, is it? Let's see what actually happens when I put my hair back on. Yes, that works extremely well. So another thing that we wanted to show you is diagnostic mode. So some of you guys have seen this on the other products we have. You can see we have green squares on our faces. This is the way the system knows where we're sitting. We also have the gray square around us here, and that's the actual crop that we're sending to the far end. And in addition to that, we also have people count, which is really valuable information to the administrator, getting a better understanding on how the video system is actually used.
So to sum it up, from Oslo, the RoomKit Mini has been a runaway success so far. It is providing the same industry-leading quality that our customers are used to from Cisco products, but now also even for small meeting rooms and huddle spaces.
Yay!